aircraft carrier Fujian stands as a symbol of China's growing maritime power and technological might. Launched in 2022, this massive vessel is the pride of the People's Liberation Army Navy, equipped with advanced electromagnetic catapults and a full-length flight deck that rivals the world's most powerful carriers. Fujian represents not just strength, but progress, a leap toward true blue water capability. With unmatched innovation and precision engineering, this mighty carrier sails forward as a floating fortress of the future, a declaration that China's naval ambition